Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Regular Joe and Plain Jane. Before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification to know when I upload an amazing mini fidget haul. Oh yeah, I'm doing a mini fidget haul of what I got it. I can't wait. I got this store. Wait a second. Oh, I went to different stores and I put it all in this one bag, so. First, I got this marshmallow, and I'm using it in a different room because I'm actually at my aunt's house in Canada. You heard me, Canada. Just like cute little marshmallow. Oh, sorry. Cute little marshmallow. Sorry if I get interrupted. Like I always get interrupted because I never tell anyone when I upload a video. And I got a cat window. But that's not the only tiny doll I got. I got this purple one too. We're going shopping soon, so I will be uploading another mini fidget haul. Oh, that's my mom sent over some from her dad. Little fruits. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. There's actually a strawberry in there. And the last one's not really a fidget, but it's what I got. A book of the backers. Oh my gosh, I love this series. Well, I'm going to be taking out these fruits. Wow, that orange is amazing. Wow. Banana is my favorite, obviously. Wow, I love these needles. If you're asking me why I'm not taking out the candies, I would if they were mine. Yeah, I actually did buy them, but they were my friends because every time I go in the kitchen, I always have to get my friends. So my friend Haley gets to pick what color she wants. So what do you all want?